International standards for peaceful assembly are primarily guided by the various human rights instruments and the guidelines. Here are some key points. International key standards. A Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Article 20 of it states that everyone has a right to freedom of the peaceful assembly and association. International Convention of Civil and Political Rights, Article 21 of it recognizes the right of peaceful assembly and allows restriction only where is necessary in the democratic society for national security, public safety, public order, protection of public health or morals, or the right of freedom of others. General Commit number 37 issued by UN Human Rights Committee. This document provides detailed guidance on the right of peaceful assembly, including the responsibilities of state and the right of protest organizer. Responsibilities of state: facilitation and protection. A state must facilitate, peacefully assemble and protect the participant from violence, including from all kind of dangers. Appropriate and necessary. Any restrictions on the assembly must be necessary, appropriate, otherwise no thing can be done. No discrimination on the basis of races, color, language, religion, or specific origin, property, birth should be made. Guideline for law enforcement: use of force. The use of force must be last resort and use, if necessary, less lethal weapon. Guidelines for using less lethal weapon minimize the effect, but its useful practical implementation. Notification method: authorization. While some countries require prior notification for assemblies, requiring proper authorization is generally seen as a restriction on the right. Online assemblies: the right to peaceful assembly also extend to online gatherings and protests. These standards aim to ensure that the right to peaceful assembly is respected and globally protected.